Hello all children, we are going to continue with exercise 12.3 of chapter 12 factorization of class A according to the revised syllabus. Okay, so question number 4, we have to divide as directed. Okay, in this we have to divide 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 5, and it is divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's see how to do. 5 into 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5 upon 2x plus 1. Okay, so children, in the denominator 2x plus 1 is there, and in the numerator also 2x plus 1 is there. It will get cancelled. Okay, see, when these terms are multiplied, okay, then only we can cancel it. Here we can use the laws of exponents also, because they are the same base, the powers will get subtracted. Or if you don't want to go in much detail, simply because they are the same terms in the numerator and the denominator, they get cancelled. Okay, now it is 5, 3x plus 5. So this is the solution. So easy, isn't it? In the second part, we have to divide 26xy multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by y minus 4 by 13x y minus 4. Okay, so how to do? 26xy multiplied x plus 5 y minus 4 upon 13x y minus 4. Okay, so this y minus 4, this y minus 4 will get cancelled, and this x and this x will get cancelled. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Okay, so we get 2y x plus 5 as the solution to this part. Okay, coming to the third part, we have to divide 52 pqr multiplied p plus q multiplied by q plus r multiplied by r plus p by 104 pq q plus r multiplied by r plus p. So let's see how to do. 52 pqr, p plus q, q plus r plus p upon 104 pq, q plus r plus p. Children, regarding my explanation, if you are having anything that you need to tell me, kindly mention in the comment section. Okay, I will reply to your whatever. If you are having any queries, I will definitely answer you. Okay, so do mention anything if you are having. Okay, so here this q plus r will get cancelled, r plus p will get cancelled, this pq and this pq will get cancelled. 52 ones are 52, 52 twos are 104 here, 104. So we get the solution as r upon 2. Okay, all these terms in the denominator got cancelled, so we are left with only 2, and in the numerator we get r by 2 p plus q. So this is the solution to the part. Okay, in the fourth part, we have to divide 20 multiplied by y plus 4 multiplied by y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. So how to do? 20 y plus 4 y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. Okay, now this y plus 4, y plus 4 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4, we are left with 4y square plus 5y plus 3. So this is the solution to this fourth part. Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, So you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Coming to the fifth part, we have to divide x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, and it is divided by x plus 1. Okay, this x plus 1, this x plus 1 will get cancelled, this x will get cancelled, and we are left with this x plus 2 and x plus 3. So this is the very easy solution to this fifth part. Okay, children, if you are fine with the explanation, kindly subscribe to the channel and refer my channel to more and more people, and kindly ask them to subscribe as well. Okay, thank you so very much.